Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to convert Sheets to JSON in Google Sheets. First click on Extensions and then Add-ons. Click on Get Add-ons, and now in here type Sheets to JSON. Now you should see Sheets to JSON right here and press Install. Now give it your account and click on Continue. Here go down and click on Allow. Now you should be able to be installed this Sheets to JSON add-on. Click Done and close this window. Now click on Extensions, Sheets to JSON, Open, and here you should be able to create this file. Click on OK. So wait while it opens up. And now simply select the sheet that you want to export or generate a JSON from and data range, custom or the whole, and click on generate, and it will generate the JSON file for you right here, as you can see, and then press download. Select where you want to download it and name it and press save. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.